Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to disable students turning an empty assignment in Google Classroom using xFanatical SafeDoc. In an educational setting, some students may turn in blank assignments to meet the submission deadline without completing any actual work, hoping to avoid penalties or receive partial credit. This practice can lead to delay in grading, confusion, and a lack of accountability for students to engage meaningfully with their assignments. That's where xFanatical SafeDoc comes for the rescue. SafeDoc can help enforce a check that prevents empty submissions, by which educators can ensure that students are turning in substantial work and prevent them from exploiting the system. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the Block Classroom Assignment Late Submission policy and setting the value to True, you can disable students turning an empty assignment in Google Classroom easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.